Looking for affordable dentures online and saw Omoeon Dentures in a viral ad? Today we're asking the real question. Do these work for chewing, speaking, and comfort, or are they just too good to be true? Let's break it down. So Omoeon Dentures are marketed online as a DIY denture solution that promises easy at-home fitting, natural chewing, secure fit without adhesives, and comfort that rivals custom dentist-made dentures, all sold directly through a flashy website. Some aspects sound good in theory if you are short on time and trying to save money. They are advertised as a low-cost alternative to professional dentures, often much cheaper than dentures from a dentist. The idea of home fit dentures is appealing if it meant you could avoid clinical appointments. But here's the most important part. Advertising alone doesn't prove effectiveness or safety. Here's where the truth matters. There's no credible clinical evidence showing Omoeon or similar mail-order dentures perform as well as custom professionally made ones. Dentures require precise measurements, bite alignment, and adjustments that only dental professionals provide, and that can be replaced by generic online products. Investigative reviews of these type of products show they often overpromise comfort and ease, but deliver poor fit and weak chewing function, and sometimes irritation or sores. Many online denture sellers use fake marketing heavy language without transparent material or quality details, and independent third-party reviews are scarce. So do Omoeon dentures actually work? Not in the way real dentures do. There's no clinical proof they match the fit, comfort, or chewing ability of professional-made dentures. Dentures are a medical device, and proper fit and ongoing adjustments are crucial for oral health, something online generic products can't reliably deliver. The bottom line, if you want dentures that function well and safely, seeing a dentist or prosthodontist for custom fittings is still the best and most reliable option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.